So today I'm going to attempt to put some long wear lashes on. I have a friend with me today. Her name is Layla. I'm using this Ardell Lashtite adhesive. I'm going to put it in this pocket. These are Kiss lashes. I'll leave a link in the description box. There's two sizes, short and medium. And I'm going to put the glue in the glue pocket. Alright, I put glue in the glue pocket. Now I'm going to take a medium lash. I'm going to lay it on the outside here to test it first. I think that may be over the top. So I'm going to take I don't know. Those are too long. I'm going to take a short lash. No. Alright, I'm going to take a long lash. And I'm going to stick it in the glue. Just barely dipped it. And I'm going to lay it out here. Alright. That's one. We'll take another one. And I set it right down beside it, and then I accidentally got it on my tweezers. Alright, there's that one. I'm going to do another one. That's three. This is three of the mediums so far. There's three. Now I'm going to do a short one. Pulled it off the plastic with my tweezers. Get just a teensy bit of glue. Okay, put a short one on. Now I'm going to put another short one on. And I think I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go to the other side. This is what I did to prepare first. Got my lashes real clean, brushed them out real good, and then we're going to go in with a medium one. And this is more difficult. Okay, there's one. There's two. There's three. Now two short ones. And then I'm going to go back with little individual short ones and fill in any holes. That's what these look like. These look like tiny little mosquito wings. They're so small. I put a tiny one in the front. Wow, that one's so, they're so tiny. They literally look like little mosquitoes. I got that one crumpled. There we go. Alright, I'm going to try something else. Those are so little. I'm going to try these. These are medium. Wow. These are called Fauxmink Individuals. These are by Ardell. There you go. So I have them all. Wow, I don't even have this light on. I have them all on. I don't have any eye makeup on or eyeliner. I could have some residue, but so I'm gonna comb through them, get them all going in the same direction. So I'll let y'all know how well they hold up. And the Kiss lashes that I used were from this box. Anyway, the attraction is it has a glue pocket. I'm not gonna put that up yet because I think the glue's still wet. So if you're curious, am I going to do this to other people? Probably not, because I don't want anybody coming back to me whining because they can't get them off. It has remover to take them off. They don't just soak off with water. Okay, this was fun. I'll check back with y'all. I'll give you an update every time I do a video. Have a great day.